Ever wondered how sound waves could transform your joint health? Cherry Health Center offers pressure wave therapy for all joints, a non-invasive treatment that delivers high-energy sound waves through a handheld device, precisely targeting problem areas to stimulate your body's natural healing processes during quick 10 to 15-minute sessions. Pressure wave generates acoustic waves that travel through the skin and into the tissues. These waves create a controlled reaction at the cellular level, activating signaling pathways that enhance blood flow, promote new blood vessel formation, and stimulate the production of collagen and other proteins essential for tissue repair. Over multiple sessions, this breaks down scar tissue and calcium deposits, while reducing nerve sensitivity to diminish pain signals. Pressure wave helps with conditions like tendinitis, tennis elbow, jumper's knee, plantar fasciitis, and other musculoskeletal disorders, providing relief for activity-aggravated pain, joint swelling and inflammation, stiffness or spasms that restrict motion, and lingering injuries that slow recovery. By boosting cellular activity with metabolic processes, it provides immediate pain reduction and accelerates tissue regeneration, resulting in faster recovery, decreased inflammation, and long-term improvements in mobility, all without anesthesia or surgery. When combined with our chiropractic and physical therapy, it enhances overall joint function, helping you avoid more aggressive interventions. Thanks for being part of the Cherry Health Center family. We're here to help you thrive. If pressure wave therapy sparks your interest, just ask one of our staff today. We're here to offer personalized guidance toward feeling your best.